400 plus muscles. Allow intricate movement in a caterpillar's tiny body. Survival by freezing. Some species can survive by allowing their bodies to freeze. Mimicry masters. Caterpillars can mimic snake heads to deter predators. 12,000 eyes. Provide limited vision, mostly detecting intensity and direction. Carnivorous behavior. Some caterpillars eat other caterpillars. Architects of silk. They produce silk from modified salivary glands. Skin shedding. Caterpillars molt multiple times before becoming butterflies. Poison carriers. Many store toxins from plants they eat to ward off threats. Months in cocoon. Some species spend months inside their cocoon transforming. Venomous spines. Are used by some to inject toxins into predators. Vibrant warnings. Bright colors typically signal toxicity to predators. Breathing through sides. Caterpillars have spiracles on their sides for breathing. Self-made hammocks. Some species create silk hammocks to rest in. Digestive recyclers. Caterpillars can digest leaves repeatedly to maximize nutrients. Pheromone trails. Are used to communicate and lead others to food sources. Leaf miners. Some bore into leaves, living inside away from predators. Camouflage experts. Caterpillars blend into surroundings like sticks and leaves. Gigantic appetites. Can eat up to 27,000 times their body weight in a lifetime. Rare diet diversions. A few species are known to eat small insects. Lifespan variations. From a few weeks to several years depending on the species. Solar power usage. They bask in the sun to increase body temperature for digestion. Sound production. Some caterpillars click to scare away predators or attract mates. Ant partnerships. Certain species are protected by ants in exchange for sweet secretions. Muscle over skeleton. They move using muscles since they lack a rigid skeleton. Growth spurts. Caterpillars can grow 1,000 times their size from hatching. Rain shelter creation. They build structures to protect themselves from rain. Birds aren't the biggest threat. Parasitic wasps are a more dangerous predator. Transformation efficiency. Almost every part of the caterpillar is transformed during metamorphosis. Oxygen increase. Boosts their metabolic rate for faster growth. Hairs as defense. Hairs can be irritating or even harmful to predators. Nighttime feeders. Some species are nocturnal to avoid daytime predators. Fungal susceptibility. Caterpillars are vulnerable to fungal infections. Smell deterrence. They can emit foul smells to ward off attackers. 4,000 plus species in Amazon. Make it one of the richest areas in caterpillar diversity. Multi-legged illusion. Their prolegs are not true legs, but extensions of the abdomen. Self-defense decapitation. Some can self-amputate to escape predators' grasp. Bioindicator status. Their presence and health indicate the ecological status of habitats. Population control. Birds and small mammals rely on them as a major food source. Nectar preparation. They contribute to pollination indirectly by becoming pollinators as adults. Temperature sensitive. Development speed is influenced by ambient temperatures. Not all become butterflies. Some caterpillars metamorphose into moths. Silk trail guides. Used to find their way back to shelters or shared nests. Not just leaf eaters. Some specialize in eating flowers or seeds. Internal navigation. Some migrate long distances using geomagnetic fields. Water collectors. They can absorb water directly from dew on leaves. Agricultural impact. Some species are major pests in agriculture. Pattern changers. Their patterns and colors can change with each molt. Extreme temperatures. Some can survive in desert heat and Arctic cold. Rare cannibalism. Occurs in overcrowded or resource-scarce conditions. Gravity defiance. Caterpillars can climb and hang upside down for extended periods,